there, welcome to day 19 of 100 days of coding challenge from VCode. So let's see the question. The question is, write a Java program that prints a half pyramid pattern of numbers. The pattern should have n rows where n is an integer input. The input format must be an integer n representing the number of rows in the pyramid. The output format must be the half pyramid pattern itself. So the sample input is given. So if the input is 4, then the pattern must be this. So you can observe in the pattern, in the first row we have 1, in the second row we have 1, 2, in third row we have 1, 2, 3, and fourth row we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's find out what is the logic behind this pattern and what should be the logic of the code. So I have written the same pattern here. So this pattern is when the number of rows given is 4. So you can observe from this pattern that in first row it is 1 number, in second row we have 2 numbers, in third row we have 3, and in fourth row we have 4. So the number of numbers in each row is depending upon the row number. So if we take it to 1, so it is printing 1. If we take the row number as 2, it is printing all the numbers from less than 2. So that is 1 and 2. So without a comma. And then in the third row, when the number is 3, it is printing all the numbers from 1 till 3. So 1, 2 and 3. And in the fourth row, we are printing the numbers less than that, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we had already seen this right angle triangle pattern using this asterisk symbol. So there we use a concept called nested for loops. So for this patterns we mostly use the nested for loops. So what should be the for loops? How should be they written? So nested for loops are like for loop inside the for loop. So we will be writing here, we will be starting as the outer loop will be starting from 1 till the n rows. So this outer for loop is for the rows. So this is for the rows, and the inner for loop is in each row what we should print. And so here we will be having inside this, we will be having the inner for loop. So here we will go again from 1 till the variable we are having here. So let me take here when I is from 1 to n, and here j will be going from 1 till I. So the logic is, when here I is 1, we are only printing one column. So only one value. That's why j is also 1. When I is 2, so j will be ranging from 1 till 2. So that is I, right? So this is the logic behind. So now let's do the code now. So let me create the file, let me name it pattern.java, and now write the main method. So let me define the number of rows here itself. Int n is equal to, let me take 4. Now I will create the nested for loops. So this is the syntax. Now in the outer for loop, what we are going to write, this is for the rows. So the rows, let me create a variable. So int I, which ranges from 1 till it is equal to the n, and in each iteration we increase the row value. So in each row, let me create another variable, int j is equal to 1. This j will go till the value of I. So it will be different for each row. And now we have to print here. So as the pattern here says, so let me copy this, and so as you can observe from the pattern, so that is 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. So here the value which is changing again and again is the value of j. So we have to print the value of j here. So if for the first row, the first value of j is 1. So we have printed 1. Now in the second row, when I is 2, we are going to print the j value 1 and then the j value will become 2. As the I value is 2, we will be stopping there. And when I is 3, we will print the j value which is 1, then print 2 again and then 3, and we are stopping because j value becomes equal to 3, and so on. So this is the same for whatever value we are having for the n. And now after each line, after each row, we need to have a println statement to go to the next row. So this is the code. Now let's see if we are getting the same output. Now let me run the file, javac pattern.java. So this will compile the file. Now let me run the file. So look at this, we have got the output for when the row number is 4. So let me give 10. So let me compile the file again and check. Okay, so before compiling you need to save the file. So let me save it. Now let me recompile it. So look at this, I have got the output of this huge pattern. So that's it for this video. Do follow the VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.